Hey guys, welcome back to Amenny Property TV channel. In today's episode, we'll be focusing on one of the most crucial skills for any leaders, decisions making. As a real estate leader, your ability to make timely informed decisions can make or break your business. This is effective decision making for real estate leader.
First, gather all the relevant information. Before making a decision, especially big one like investment or hiring, ensure you have all the facts. Consult with experts, analyze market data, and weigh the pros and cons. Next, think long term. As a leader, your decisions should align with your long-term business goal. Don't just focus on short-term gain. Think about how your decision will impact the future of your business and your team.
Finally, be confident and committed. Once you make a decision, stand by it. Indecision or constantly second-guessing yourself can lead to confusing and lack of trust among the team. Confidence in your choices inspire confidence in others.
In conclusion, effective decision-making requires gathering information, think long-term, and having the confidence to commit to your decisions. By practicing this strategy, you become a more decisive and trusted leader in real estate.
Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe for more real estate leadership tips. And if you have any decision-making technique that works for you, share them in the comment below. See you next time. Bye-bye.